Starting live video. It's the final show.
Yeah.
Sticky, sticky situation. Oh, it's the beginning of the song. Hi. We're Facebook Living right now.
Oh, hey, I thought we were posing for a selfie. Hi, everybody. I had to preset a costume.
Bye. I do want a selfie with you and my children at some point.
Okay.
I don't know when that's going to happen. I just thought it'd be fun to sing along with the song. There ain't no way of taking it back. It's a sticky, sticky, sticky situation.
Final show.
I know, we're all heartbroken.
Closing night.
I'm actually really sad about this one.
Yeah. But we're doing great. So
Yeah.
So.
And you got your voice back? He was losing his voice last night.
Yeah, and the night before.
It's because I gave you throat coat. It's all about the throat coat. It's a good tea.
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh, stuck. 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 I'm stuck. Oh, he's stuck. We have the little monitor right there so we can watch from backstage.
Yeah, it's fun.
And he's looking all cute because he's going to be in the speakeasy scene with his hat.
Yeah. Tap number.
Yeah. All right. I'm waiting for the song to get really good. Do you want to be on my Facebook Livey? Hi, backstage fun. He's getting all his tapping warmed up.
Wait, do you not have another hat, or is that your hat? Okay.
So this is life backstage, in case you've ever wondered. It's like the one time I get to sit down and like mop the sweat from my face.
Yeah, this is like the one time where I just get to like sit here,
I've already
relax.
prepped the props. I've already peed. I've already done the things. But if I get too comfortable and lose track of time, then I'm late to my next entrance, which is not good. So we can't lose focus.
Yeah, I'm going when they're like, he died.
He died? When did they say?
Sadie says that, and they're like
Oh,
making
right.
up excuses.
Yeah, that's. Oh, Mike is watching.
Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Goofball. I go when the tap dance number starts. Is usually when I put my coat on and I start prepping.
Okay, yeah, that's good because of that one night.
This video would probably be a lot more goofy and entertaining if all the kids were back here with us, but they're all on stage right now, so you just have us.
I'm going.
She just said he died, so now he has to go on stage. Oh,
Last time she does it.
well, this is the last time, so now he's going, wave, goodbye.
Last time.
No? She's hiding. She's an elf. Oh, that was Jen's. That's my son! That's another favorite moment. What's one of your favorite moments in the show? Unless you tie him up to that pole.
No, probably Sadie's.
Oh, pry him off. I just said tie him up to that pole. It's pry him off of that pole.
That's a different show.
Wow.
You
So this is one of the, are you like the head elf? Is that?
Yes, I'm the chief elf.
Check out that hair. That hair. I'm not responsible for that hair. I'm just gonna say. Not that it's bad. I can't take credit for it.
A little kooky.
Okay, so now they're back in the classroom. And I should probably get my coat and start heading to my, but I'm having fun. Let's go into the dressing room. Make sure no one's naked though. Okay, this is the dressing room. Is everybody dressed? Oh, I guess nobody's in the dressing room right now. These are the costumes. These are our, I guess I should just flip. There we are. Whee. Say hi.
Hi.
We're on Facebook Live right now.
Oh my God.
And we heard the, that's my son, from the green room. Very exciting. Very exciting moment.
I know.
I know, it's the last time. I feel like one of those sappy people who's like, I'm gonna miss the show. But I am, so yeah, okay. It's okay. It's okay, thank you. Thank you for understanding. See, this is actually, I think your wig is one of my favorites. It's now a little bit blurry, fuzzy. But it's one of my favorite creations. Ah, ah. There we go. Okay. C+. Ha 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 ha, C+. Okay. Now I have to go put my coat on. So what's gonna happen now, since at this point, if you haven't seen it, you're not gonna get to, I can ruin it. So now the teacher exits and she comes back on as a like flapper girl from the 1920s in a speakeasy and does a big tap number, and it's super fun. And then I help someone with a fast change. And then I go on stage and break up a fight. Oh, this is Connor. Sarah Dean, your son's on stage right now. What? Do. Okay. All right. Bye. This is the last time I get to snuggle these boys on stage and comfort them with a lovely lullaby. I'm kind of falling in love with my children. It sounds weird, but it's true, and I kind of want to take them home. But I get to hug them one last time and sing. Oh, okay, bye.